Welcome back, students. In this class we study the third chapter, understanding quadrilaterals. Here in this chapter we solve the exercise last problem of this chapter. So we'll see what is the question here. This is the question 6th. ABC is a right angle triangle. This one, ABC is a right angle triangle, and O is the midpoint of the side opposite to the right angle. This one is the right angle. So here this one is a midpoint opposite to the right angle. Explain why O is equidistant from ABC. Why O is equidistant from ABC. So we'll see what is the solution here. This one is ABC. So here they have given us, that is, construction will start. The solution is first construction. I've written this right angle triangle here first. So this is the final diagram. So construction is required for this solution. First construction. What is this? Means extend BO, this one, BO, so here extend BO to D. So this one is the point D here. Extend BO, this one is O, BO to D. This is the first point. Next, so that BO equal to OD. So this one BO equal to OD. So we'll write in the bracket BO equal to OD. Join, next is join CD and AD. So what we have to do, we have to join this. So this should be also in the dotted lines. So this one, this is a rough figure, so refer the main figure. So we join this CD and OD. Sorry, CD and AD. After this, we have proof. Next, proof, that is line AD is parallel to line BC. This one AD is parallel to BC. Is 2, then these two are parallel. So in the rectangle, the opposite sides will be parallel to each other. Therefore, AB is parallel to, this is parallel side, DC. So this we have to write. Next, after proof, in the parallelogram, ABCD, O is the midpoint. O is the midpoint. See this one. This is the midpoint for all the four sides. So this one is the midpoint diagonal which comes on the line or the diagonal AC. Midpoint of the diagonal which is the diagonal here, this is AC. So now finally we have to write, since O lies on the diagonal, AC, O is equidistant from A, B and C. So see the figure, this one is equidistant, means the distance are equal between AO, OB and OC. So therefore we call O is equidistant from A, B, C. Means all have equal distance from A to O, B to O and C to O. So this is the solution for the last problem of this chapter. So this completes the chapter 3. So we next move on to the multiple choice question of this chapter. So for this we'll start the first question. So what is the first question? Understanding quadrilaterals MCQ 1 is. The first question is dash is the quadrilateral dash quadrilateral whose diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So here we have this is two diagonal. AB is one diagonal and this comes like this. So this which of these type means diagonals perpendicular each other appears in the following, that is options. So they are given rhombus, trapezium, rectangle and parallelogram. So the answer here is rhombus. So next is the next question. If PQ and RS are two parallel sides of a parallelogram, then what happens? So consider this one. So PQ RS is a parallelogram. So what happens? Opposite sides of the parallelogram will always be equal. So PQ will be equal to RS or SR. So which is the option here? Two parallel sides of a parallelogram or equal. So this is the option. So next is, what is the name of the regular polygon of 8 sides? So what is the regular polygon of 8 sides? Regular polygon with 6 sides is hexagon, and this one is a equilateral triangle with 3 sides. This is a 4 side. So what is the answer here? So this one is regular hexagon, means 8 sides. So the regular polygon of 8 sides is called a octagon. So next we move on to the fourth question. In the fourth question, dash and dash are the number of vertices of a quadrilateral. So what is a quadrilateral means? It will have 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. So quadrilateral 4 sides means it will have 4 vertices, 4 sides and 4. So we have to fill here 4 and 4, or option A we have to take it as correct. So next we move on to the fifth question. Here fifth question, the diagonal of a square does not divide the whole square into 4 equal parts. So the diagonal of a square do not divide the whole square into 4 equal parts. The statement here is false. So next is, but here actually we know the diagonals of the square. See, this is the square. We have one diagonal and two diagonals. They divide equal parts, but here they have given not divide. So the answer is false. Now we move on to the sixth question. Sixth one, PQR is a rectangle. Find its perimeter. So PQRS is a rectangle. The sides they have given. So for the to find the perimeter of the rectangle, we have this formula: P is equal to 2 into x plus y. Therefore, we have to substitute this. X how much is given as 6. 2 into 6 plus y is 4. Therefore, 2 into how much? 6 plus 4 is 10 is equal to 20 centimeters. So therefore, we have take the both the sides, add, then multiply by 2. This is the perimeter of the rectangle formula. Therefore, D is the option correct. 20 centimeters we are getting. Next one, seventh one, dash is not a quadrilateral. So, not a quadrilateral. 4 options are given, that is parallelogram, square, rectangle and triangle. Since quadrilateral is a 4-sided figure or a diagram, the square is correct and rectangle is correct, parallelogram is correct and triangle is the correct option. So all the polygon ABC have 4 sides. So means all the quadrilateral have 4 sides. So option D is the correct answer. Triangle will have 3 sides. These 3 diagrams will have 4 sides. This one is only having 3 sides. Next we move on to the 8th one. If angle P and angle R are two opposites angles of a parallelogram, then the angle P and opposites. So what is the means in this parallelogram, the opposite sides will always be equal. So we have, that is angle P will be opposite, P, Q, R, S. So P and R will be equal. So see, opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. I have written here already. So refer this. So next we move on to the 9th question. So in the 9th question, dash is an angle sum of a convex polygon. So this, which is the formula for the sum of the angle of the convex polygon, means, for example, see there are 4 options. So this one is correct, that is number of sides minus 2 into 360. For example, see the side or n is equal to means 4 means substitute here in the formula, that is n minus 2 into 180, that is 4 minus 2 into 180 is equal to 2 into 180 into is equal to 360. So this is the way to calculate. So this one is the correct formula. So option D is the correct answer. Next we move on to the sum of the measures of dash angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So sum of measure of how many angles of a quadrilateral is, so as we know the quadrilateral will have 4 sides. So the option they have given is 4, 5, 6 and 2. So option 4 is the correct one. Next one, regular hexagon with 6 sides is called as regular hexagon with 6 sides is called as a regular polygon. So square circle, this option is not correct. Square means 4 sides. So here rectangle also 4 sides. So this was regular polygon is a quadrilateral. So this one will have a 6 sides. They have asked hexagon with 6 sides. So it is a regular polygon. So next we move on to the 12th problem. The perimeter of a parallelogram whose parallel sides have length equal to 13 centimeters. So opposite sides or parallel sides will have 13 centimeters and another one is 8 centimeters. So no, parallel sides are given as 13 and 8. Okay. So one is 13 and one is 8. Now how to calculate? As we know the formula to find the perimeter is equal to P is equal of a parallelogram, P is equal to 2 into x plus y. Therefore P is equal to, what is x? They have given 13 plus y is 8. Add these two. 13 plus 8 will become 21. That is 8, 9, 10, 21. 21 into 2 will be how much? 42 centimeters. So which is the correct answer here? The perimeter of a parallelogram. I have these are the parallel lengths given. Therefore here option B is the correct answer. We are getting 42 centimeters Here substitute the x and y values, add this, multiply, will get 42 centimeters. So finally the option B is the correct answer. So here in this class I've solved MCQ 1 to 12. So if you have any doubts, comment me, subscribe my channel, share, like all the videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.